Hi, this is Panchali on behalf of Srimoy again coming with a new video as it is the day for sari video. So I'm coming with lots of saris are there. Actually, as festive season is on and uh, we from India we like to wear saris. Actually, in case of any festive as festive wear as well as in any party, the first choice mainly is sari. If we are not uh, prepared about what to wear, then we prefer the next alternative, that is kurti. But firstly, we like to wear saris. Okay, so sari, I showed a different variety in last few months, and today is also a number of different varieties are there. Okay, in today's list also the booking procedure is same, that as usual, that you have to make a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8910156418. Today I will start with a completely different manner, as many of you ask for resham check or not resham kota. I am specifically mentioning you resham kota is cheaper than resham check, and resham check is mostly, this is fully cotton based. Okay, no rayon or no polyester is mixed with it, fully pure cotton materials are this, and so it is a little bit costly than resham kota. Okay, so I will start today with a number of resham check is there in today's list, and some of them are costly. Costly means I think these are festive wear, and some are within our budget. Okay, so please listen carefully and please see my next videos also and yesterday video was there on kurti as well as in kaftan house coats are there, and if you miss, please see the recorded video. Some pieces are left. Okay, so please if you have time, please get it. Okay, the starting with a beautiful red white, not only red white, it is red white and yellow, three colors are used here, mainly white best, as in festive and as well as in for Durga Puja we like to have something in our wardrobe in red white. So red white is the first preference for today, but this is fully hand work. Okay, fully hand Gujarati stitch is there, and pure resham check, cotton based resham check is the material. This is the palla. Okay, see, a beautiful work is done here in the palla, as well as small buttas are there, hand embroidered in all over the body. This is a broad border with hand embroidery, hand Gujarati embroidery actually in both sides. Okay, and this will be the pleats. Okay, up to pleats, not only up to pleats, the whole sari is designed in such a way. Okay, this is the first one with beautiful hand worked Gujarati hand worked blouse piece will be there. Okay, this is a full set. It is in the range of 2650. 2650 is the range for the first one, but I will show the maximum pieces will be within your budget, and I think this is, although it is out of not out of budget, I think so, but it is one of your choice. Okay, this is the first one, pure white is the material with blouse pieces there. This is the first one. Moving towards some, all are different from each other, not same. Okay, all the pieces are itself all a designer, I can say that just all are designer ones. The second one, just a new coming piece, it is all over hand paint as well as hand embroidery, both are there, not a hand embroidery, it is applique work, applique as well as hand paint, but it will look like all over embroidery is there. This is hand paint. Okay, just I am showing you closely, these are all hand painted. Okay, and this is the palla. See, no blouse pieces there in these pieces. These red borders, these are applique work. Okay, and these flowers are fully hand paint. These flowers are fully hand paint, are just a contrast palla with offbeat. I think this is not regular color combination. Offbeat color combination at the bottle green, not yes, bottle green with a light pista green is the combination with red applique with hand paint, just a designer piece, and all over the sari up to your plates these hand paint will going on. Okay, and the price I think, and the red bordered piping bordered is there in both sides. This is the full piece. Okay, it is only and only in the range of 1650. 1650 for the second one. Moving towards the third one, it is again a designer piece in the same range 1650, but see the piece, I think you will love it. The next one, the third one actually in Resham check, this one is again hand paint, and it is fully hand painted. No applique means, or no applique is there. In the same range, beige is a body color, and Madhubani painting is done. Madhubani Mithila style painting is done on it. This is the palla, and all over the body in half circle manner this painting is going on. I am showing you closely. Beautiful artwork, and hand paint is really, this is not ordinary hand paint. These hand paints are really tiresome. I think these are not ordinary one, and this will be all over the body, the same color is there, and this half circle manner this hand paint is going on. This will be the plates. Okay, no blouse piece is there in this piece. Same range 1650. Okay, this is the third one for Resham check. The next piece in Resham check, these are just it is a combination of Resham check with Jamdani. Okay, as Jamdani is mix and match is here, so it is a little bit higher in range. These are 1850, and half of the sari, I showed this pattern previously, I think 2-3 months earlier. It's again in stock as puja as well as festive season is coming in. It's again in stock. Half of the sari is Resham check and half is pure Jamdani. Pure all over Jamdani is there. This is the palla, hand painted. Resham check, hand painted. This is the half of the sari. Okay, this is the hand paint on Resham check, and mind it, these pieces, yeah, I think it's better to make dry wash, but you can hand paint because this quality of hand paint is very good in quality, the fabric quality also, as it will not bleed. But first time I think for this type of sarees, dry wash is better, and if you get a little bit of starch on it, it will be more better. Okay, this is the palla. All over Alpona style, we call it Alpona in Bengali, or Alpona style hand painting is done in the half of the sari. It can be your Ashtami wear also, and half of the sari is in all over Jamdani style. 1850 is the range. This is the first piece in this manner. Moving towards the same pattern, another piece I want to show you. Just a minute. The next piece, it is 3 color combinations are there for this type of variety today. This is the second one. Those who doesn't like to wear red, white only, for them I think it's a better option. And the third one, it's really a gorgeous one, that can be your Navami look also, or in any festive mood you can wear it. Half of the sari is in sky blue. Okay, sky blue and white hand painting is done here. All maximum of the pieces those I will show today are within 2000. Maximum of them are within 2000. Above 2000 are limited pieces are there. So those who are who have to buy for gifting as well as for their own, a number of sarees you need for festive season also, I think, so they can easily buy. Okay, this is the half of the sari is in sky blue and hand paint in white. The painting is done in white, with white acrylic paint is done, and half of the sari is all over this type of jamdani, pure cotton or full sari. Isn't it that half of the sari is in cotton silk and half of the sari is in cotton? Not that. Full sari, the resham check itself, it's cotton, and jamdani, of course, cotton jamdani. These are not polyester style jamdani, the same range. Okay, the third one, the third combination actually for this variety, I want to show you. It's a gorgeous one. It's a gorgeous combination. Uh, Beautiful piece, and many of us will have, I think the first choice is this one, because black is always a soft corner for us. This is white, half of the sari is in white resham check with black hand painting is done on it. Okay, this is the palla, full hand painted up to pleats, and from pleats this will be all over jamdani. See, all over weaving jamdani is half of the side. So three color options are there for this type. Okay, now moving towards some resham check, but these are not exactly these are yes, resham checks are these, but the pattern is changed. Now the pattern is applique work, fully stencil style applique work is done on full sari. No BP is there. In the previous pieces no BP is there. In these pieces also no blouse piece is there. I think this the contrast blouse piece we all have in our wardrobe. The black blouse piece is very much common. The black, red, white, I think we all have in our wardrobe, and you can just mix and match with it. Stencil applique, pure cotton stencil applique is done on resham check. This is the next one, next design, I can say. This is the palla, and all over the body up to plaits this border will come. Okay, in the lower part this border will come, and in body also this stencil will come with a gap. This type of gap will be there. White and black combination, and the price is, I think it is within our budget, 1450. Only and only 1450 is the price. In this range few more pieces are there in the multicolor applique. Few more colors are there. I am not showing this. I am moving towards the next resham check, mix and match, and this is in the range, and this one is exactly not resham check but cotton based noil. The main material is cotton. It's not that kind of noil, those are very much polyester based. These are cotton noil. Okay, and all over applique work is done, and the price is really, for gifting these are perfect. Okay, these are all applique work. This flower, these petals, leaves, all are applique work. No blouse pieces there, all over body in both side this type of, and in pleats this will come in the lower parts. Okay, this is the next one, and it is in the range of only and only 950. 950 is the price for this variety. Moving towards the next one, it is in this variety three color combinations are there, and again jamdani with resham check, and the combination and the, it's really gorgeous. I can say it that these are really gorgeous, and you will feel just super soft in quality, as well as no you need to give starch, but these are gorgeous. Pink with blue combination is the first one. With this is the half of the sari will be in applique work on resham check, and half of the sari will be in all over jamdani. Okay, this is the jamdani part. See, this is the jamdani part. Blue with pink combination. What a beautiful, soothing, smooth combination. What can I say? These are very sweet combination. This is the palla. Bright, beautiful, as well as soothing. Okay, and those who have no what can I say, that they don't have any very much, they don't wear saris. For them also these are very much beautiful. Okay, this is the next one, and the price is again 1480. 1480 is the price for this variety also. The three color combinations are there again in this variety. The first one, pink with blue, I showed you. The next one, red white, which is I think, and this one a little bit costlier because the applique work is very dense here. Okay, it is in the range of 1650. The previous one okay, but these two, one red white and another sky blue and white, I will show you. You can imagine how it looks all over this applique work. In the first half, dense applique work is there. Okay, in the first half of the sari and up to pleats. What a beauty. I am just falling in love. I must have this. I don't know whether I can wear it or not, but I think it's really beautiful. See, this is the half of the sari in all over Dhakai. Okay, all over Jamdani is the half of the sari, and half of the sari is in applique 1650. Okay, this is the range of this one. Another color option, I think that is also beautiful, sky blue with white. Beautiful. All the colors, I think I don't have, I don't like to tell you, but I, for color options, I can give you good colors. Okay, this is sky blue with white, applique with white in first half with resham check, and the second half will be white all over Takai Jamdani. 1650 is the range. I am showing you a little hurry. Now another resham check with applique combination is there. It is in the range of 1550. 1550. This one is completely different from the previous one. Fully resham check. There is no resham check Dhakai. This is fully resham check. The first half of the sari is in white resham check, and this is the palla. Okay, applique like Amkolka we call it in Bengali in style. These are applique. Okay, no painting is this. This is fully applique work. This is the palla. This is the first half of the sari, and second half of the sari will be in red resham check, and on which in pleats this applique work will come. Okay, beautiful piece, and it's a designer. All the pieces are designer, and this one is specially single color, single design. Now moving towards a completely new variety, modal silk. I think previously I showed you a number of modal ones and you liked it very much. Modal, actually these are not exactly pure modal, these are called gaji silk. Actually I showed you previously. What a soft it is, just see it. I have 1-2 pieces in my wardrobe because these are easy to wear and easy to handle. I think so. These are easy to wear, gorgeous, as well as you can easily wear it in your workplace easily. And these are office wear for any meetings, just not too clumsy and but very much sober decent pieces, as well as gorgeous. You can go to any party from office wearing this type of pieces. The first one, goldy block is used here. Gaji silk 1950 is the range. It's the same range is there still. Now I don't know how long it will be, but still now it is in wardrobe. Magenta is the color, beautiful color, and this will be the blouse piece. Okay, 1950. Another gaji silk is there in today's list. I have to show you, just a minute. Yes, another beautiful color. Two colors introduced, the royal blue one is also in my stock, and black one. If you wish, I can show you the pics. This one is coffee color. This is just a coffee color, and a beautiful ajrak block is used here. Gaji silk again. Okay, see the block closely. See, the color as well as the block. This is the block, this is the palla, and this is the blouse piece. What a sober combination. Just those who like to wear pocket friendly as well as for office wear and festive wear, for them these are perfect. See, these are very much easy to wear and very much easy to handle. Okay, you can try it. Moving towards some newly introduced, these are Chanderi Bafta. Bafta means, you know, that it is a combination of pure silk, raw silk, as well as cotton. This is, that is called Bafta. These are Chanderi silk bafta. That means there is a thread of Chanderi silk and another thread of cotton, Chanderi cotton. So this is a mixture of Chanderi silk bafta, and these are very much pocket friendly. You will be surprised to know the price, and the look will be same and the texture near about same as that of Gaji silk, but the price is just half, I can say, near about half of the price. See, this one is rose red is the color. The first one I am showing you. The blocks are beautiful, just as Chanderi blocks, Chanderi cotton or Chanderi silk blocks. Same blocks are used here. Pure vegetable dyed blocks are this. This is the palla all over the body. This comes, and this will be the blouse piece. Blouse piece is there also, and it is only and only in the range of 1150. See, it's beautiful for office wear, for festive wear. If you want to give someone, just give it, she will love you. She will just love it. The next color, what can I say? I don't know the color name. It is what can I say? It's a different shade of green and very much, what can I say, urban. It's urban. I am showing you the thread so that you have an idea. This green with a white thread, this is the combination of these two. I don't have any idea about what the exact green is. I have to make it, because many of sarees are coming with just unusual color options. So I want to know this. This is again Chanderi silk bafta, and all over this print is going on. Okay, this is the print, this is the palla, and this will be the blouse piece. These are beautiful sarees. I think in this range, this type of saree is just grab it. I won't tell you anything. Another magenta is there. The previous magenta one is in Gaji silk, and this one is in bafta, Chanderi bafta. This one again a beautiful zari border, and zari palla is there also. This is the next one. See, again that beautiful color. This is the palla. Okay, and the blouse piece will come in this way. All over the sari, the same type of block which are in Chanderi pure silk as well as Chanderi cotton also. This type of blocks will come. Now moving towards our very worn Dhania Khali cotton. Okay, I showed you a number of pieces in Dhania Khali in last few days, and I think many of you purchased also. I think you will love it. This one is pure cotton Dhania Khali Tat, hand applique as well as hand block. Both is there. Half of the sari previously I showed, I think this pattern again it is in stock because of its demand. In the middle there is pure hand block. In both ends applique work is done. Okay, these are applique work. This is the palla, no blouse piece is there. This is the palla, full applique work is there, and all full sari is in hand block in the body part. Okay, and lower part is in applique. Okay, 1280, only and only 1280. Just grab it. Moving towards the next Dhania Khali one. These all are today. I will show the Dhania Khalis which are exclusive one, not regular one. This again Dhania Khali with hand katha work as well as hand block is there. Okay, a designer one, 1480 is the price. See, orange with peach. It is a combination of this sari, and red, light red border is also there. See, in palla, these are hand katha. No, not I will call it hand katha. These are hand embroidery. Okay, and this will be the half of the sari. In half of the sari, this embroidery one will go on. Okay, and from next half this block comes. So this block will come in your pleats, and this part will up to the pleats. This embroidery one will come up to the pleats. This is the piece 1480. See, this is the palla, this is the body. Just for gifting purpose, I think if you want to gift someone something unusual, just try for it. Moving towards another very much in demanded in Dhania Khali, checked taat with applique as well as hand block. I showed this type of pieces previously. It's again in stock due to huge demand, and red white option, actually the designer option, it's just best. This is the palla. So yes, I have to check, just a minute. No, just reverse. Yes, this is the palla. Okay, the upper half of the body is in block, and the lower half of the body is in applique with block. This is the palla. This is the palla. This middle part is in block. This yellow part is also block, and these are applique work. Okay, these flowers are in applique work. No blouse piece is there, and this is the look of the all over sari. In the lower part, yellow, red, these are all applique, and the upper half is fully in hand block. Zari, pure Dhania Khali zari checked taat is this pure cotton, and now the Dhania Khalis, you know that they are very much soft, easy to handle. 1480. I will not tell you anything about this type of sarees. I think many times I already showed this, so it's completely different. I am showing you the pieces which are different from the usual daily wear pieces. Another beautiful taat, Dhania Khali, but too soft. Actually, in it no starch is given. Applique with hand katha, no applique, it is hand katha with hand block. Lemon yellow is the color, and these are hand block. Unusual Madhubani style hand block is used here. This is the palla. Okay, and these are all hand work with mirror work is there also. This is the palla. Okay, hand block is there and hand embroidery is there. This is the half of the sari, and from rest of the sari an unusual block is used. The like what can I say? These are swans are there, that type of block, unusual block I can say you. This is in the range of 1650. It's because of this mirrors are there and embroidery is little bit heavy, that's why this is 1650 is the price for this one. Now moving towards few pieces of batik, pure Malmal cotton batik. I previously showed you this pattern, a number of pieces already showed you, and today again designer, all the batiks I will show you, all are a little a bit from the usual one. The first one, this is the corner to corner batik is done on pure Malmal cotton. See, this is the palla. What a festive, the color is a not mustard, not lemon, a mix up of color, and this is corner to corner is done. Okay, this will be the plates, and corner to corner this batik is done. Pure Malmal cotton, pure wax batik, 1280. 1280 is the price for the first one. The second one, the type is same, the color is different. It is sea green one. Okay, sea green. Again, I think it's corner to corner. Yes, it's again corner to corner. No BP is there in this pieces. This is the second one. Sky. No, it's not corner to corner. It's both side. This border is there, and this is the palla. This is the palla, and in this heavy wax batik is done. Full sari, pure wax batik, pure malmal cotton, 1280 is the price. Another beautiful designer batik, it's again in stock because of its huge demand. Actually, these are designer batik, full all of them, and this quality is exceptionally good than previous one. Two, these are soft, too soft. Okay, now the price increases a little. It is now 1380. 1380 is the now the price. Okay, this is a designer one. It's a beauty. What can I say? It's a full a pond. You can say the river base or pond base. The lower just this is a beauty. Three colors are used here: red, maroon, yellow, and the body color is white. All over the sari, this fishes, this village. These paintings are done through wax batik. That is the beauty. Okay, this is 1380 now. Okay, another the last wax batik for today. This one is 1280. This is not a kind of its usual, but the quality is really beautiful. This is again magenta with navy blue with black. Actually navy blue, no black is there. This is the palla. See, and all over the body this is going on. 1280 is the price, and this will all over the sari this batik is going on. For daily wear purpose, those who must have to wear saris, for them these are perfect. Now moving towards completely new variety. I will show some handlooms today. Handloom cotton silk materials I will show today for gifting purpose as well as for your own also. The first one, it is creamish white, not creamish, yes, white, but a reddish, light reddish tone is there also. It is Bhagalpur linen. Actually, the material is Bhagalpur linen. Linen cotton is the material. Blouse piece is running, and this is linen cotton batik. Okay, Bhagalpur linen batik is this. All over batik is done in full sari. Some of you ask me to show to give you an open picture for them. Please see the video. I think you will have a idea about. This is the white, and these are the borders in both side, and this is very much body hugging sari is this. This is the palla, and blouse piece will be running. Only and only 980 is the range. This is the first one in cotton, not cotton silk actually, this one is cotton linen. The second one for gifting purpose, this is very much this, I think you will love it. This is handloom, cotton silk is the material. Just all over these buttas are weaved, and cotton silk is the base. Of course, blouse piece is there. This is royal blue is the color with triangular as well as all over the small buttas are there. All over the sari is same. Okay, for gifting these are just perfect, and the price is really for gifting these are just wow. Only and only 850. 850. All over these buttas are weaved. These are the borders all over the sari. This is the look. Okay, 850 is the price for this one. Now moving towards, it is called tissue khadi. Tissue khadi means it's not that it is just tissue. Khadi with tissue weaving, that is called tissue khadi, and two colors are there in my stock right now, and both of them are equal. Both of them are festive. What can I say? Pink with red combination, tissue khadi, all over same. The blouse piece is there running all over same. Nothing special about it. All over this weaving is done, very much stylish. Those who want to wear something stylish but comfortable, for them this is perfect. See, this will be the look. Pink with one side orange border, one side fuchsia pink border, and the body is baby pink with tissue and khadi weaving, and for that reason only this type of dual color is coming. Gorgeousness is there. In tissue khadi, another option is there. This one is copper color with black. Here black is there, but the pattern is different, not same as that of the previous one. It is the previous one, it is in the range of, just a minute, it is in the range of 1250. This is also in the same range 1250, but this one is different from the previous one. See what a color. Copper is the body color. In both sides this type of korat weaving is there, and then black sleek border. These are for office wear, these are perfect. Okay, for office, if you have to attend any meeting as well as in festive days, these are perfect. This is the palla all over the sari. Running blouse piece will be there, that is also in same. I think you can wear a black blouse, that is enough. Okay, tissue khadi is again, this is the color combination. Okay, it is also in the same range 1250. Now moving towards another handloom cotton silk. It is a little bit higher in range. It is in the because of its applique work, dense applique work is there. Its black one is also available. I am not showing you this one. It is in the range of, previously I showed you, it was stock out, again in stock. Yellow is there, black is also there. This is in the range of 1350. 1350. One side bra, this all applique, multicolor applique work is there with piping border with mirror work also, and this is all over the sari. This is going on, and this will be the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, and blouse piece in the common, just no work is there, but it is in. Okay, this is the next one. Moving towards another very much awaited, only single piece is there in my stock right now, that semi muslin jamdani. Few muslins are coming. I can show you two muslin jamdani, not pure one. I will show you in next video. This one is semi muslin Madhubi Lata. It is just in this puja, it is hot cake. It's just hot cake. Many of you purchase this type. Another combination, I was multicolor combination one, and this combination is really unique. Orange with red and fuchsia pink. Three colors are there, all over weaving. These are weavings. I am showing you. Blouse piece is there, and the blouse piece is very much beautiful. See, this is the blouse piece with multi buta weaved, and all over the sari, all over, no, not in up to pleats, all over the sari same weaving is going on. See the piece closely. Okay, it is in the range of 1650. 1650 is the range. Single piece is available right now. Another applique handloom cotton silk noil, cotton noil. Okay, this is there. It is slightly higher in range. 1480 is the price, and I think for festive days this is perfect. All over applique work is done on cotton noil. Swastik is there, and Mangal Ghat is called in Bengali. I don't know its English term. This is there also in applique way. This is the piece. Okay, all over cotton noil. Running blouse piece is there with border. Okay, swastiks are applique. These are all applique. No hand paint, no hand work. These are all applique work. Now moving towards another beautiful sari. These are a little bit costlier because of its weaving. This is handloom Madhubilata, handloom cotton silk Madhubilata. Full, actually this is all over the sari, the weaving with multicolor, that makes it different, and that makes it a little bit costlier, because all over the sari, I have a sari like the same. If you saw it, then you can identify. All over these are weaved with golden, navy blue, red, green. This all are weaved. See, all are weaved. See, these are not at all anything painted or printed, nothing. All over the sari. Running blouse piece is there. I think you can experiment with it. And from pleats, there is checked weaving. Weaving is itself checked, and this will be the look of the full sari. It's very much festive in look. 1850 is the price. Another color with the same variety is there. This one is with fuchsia pink. Fuchsia pink with again multicolor. The same range, 1850 is the range. Again, that handloom Madhuvilata. And if you ask me about its availability, please tell me that handloom Madhuvilata, then I can understand easily. See, multicolor weaving is done. It's a little bit costlier, same as that of the previous, but I think according to handloom cotton silk, this is costlier because of its full weaving. Okay, this is fully weaved all over the sari. This is like this. Okay, 1850 is the price. Now showing very much popular pieces. These are Kerala cotton hand paints. A number of new hand paints are just coming in. The first one, Kerala cotton hand paints. These are in the range. I will show only single piece today. Rest I will give you picture because already the video is too long. It will be very long if I showed it. See, this one is that Egyptian hieroglyphic style. This is the full painting in the palla, and all over the body in half circular manner in the first half, and this will be just brush paint is done on the plates also. No blouse piece is there. This is okay. Now these are in the range now in 890. 890 is the range. That's all for today. If you're interested, please make a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8910156418.